welcome students. Welcome to third standard English class. In the previous video, we were listening to lesson number 6, Philemon and Baucis. Let us continue it. In the last part, we saw that the couple, what they did, they served them food to eat as they were very hungry. Who were they? They were strangers. They were very hungry. So I told the miracle what happened. As they started eating, as they touched the food, it turned into gold. And as they started drinking the milk from the pitcher, it was never empty. Every time the milk will be filled. And as they started eating the loaf of a bread, means LOAF loaf means a piece of bread, and as they cut the piece of the bread, the size will always remain the same. So let us see the next what happens. These are very stranger travelers, whispered the old couple to each other. They do wonderful things. As these things happened, the couples were very surprised and they started talking to themselves that, see, some strange things are happening there. What is happening? They were very surprised to see the strangers. As they were having food, all the miracle things were happening in their hut. Philemon and Baucis saw their feet were sore after walking barefoot. Baucis warmed the water and Philemon washed their feet. So after seeing this miracle, Philemon and Baucis saw their feet as they were walking without slippers or without boot. Their feet has become very dirty and it was painful. It has become red in color. So what they did, they warmed the water with the warm water. Philemon washed their feet. So it's such a good thing that if some strangers, some people come to a house, guests, such a miracle, such a good thing they have done to them. They have washed their feet, they give something to eat. At night, Philemon and Baucis gave the strangers their bed. Philemon said, these poor people are tired. We must give them bed. Yes, said Baucis. Philemon and Baucis slept upon the floor. So as the couples used to sleep on the bed, but that day when the strangers came to their hut, they gave their own bed to sleep and these couples slept down. See, such a good thing they have done it. We people, if somebody come, we don't give our bed to sleep, or we don't allow them to come to our house, or we don't help them more anytime. So here such a kind couple, and they gave their own bed to sleep and the couple slept on the floor down. As Philemon told to Baucis, for Baucis agreed to her, and they followed what the husband told, what the Philemon said. Wife agreed and they did the same thing. In the morning, they went out to bid the travel goodbye. They walked to the roads with the strangers to see them off. Now, good people said to one of the strangers, we thank you and whatever you wish shall be yours. So in the morning when they got up, they started going out. They started going to their own places. So couples came out and they said goodbye to the travelers. They took them till the outside the door. They tell them see off to the travelers, the strangers who had come there, and they thanked them very much. The strangers who had come to Philemon and Baucis' house, they told them thank you. Go to your home and be happy, said the other. They said thank you and you have done very good things to us. You have helped us too much. Thank you so much. And whatever your wishes are there, it will be fulfilled. The one of the strangers told to the Philemon and Baucis. As he said this, his face became like that of sun. Philemon and Baucis knew that at once that Zeus, the sun god, had spoken to them. When the stranger told the Baucis and Philemon that whatever wish you have, it will be cleared, it will be done. And as they were speaking, the strangers looked like the god. Zeus means here, students, the god. Looked like a god, like as if they thought that the god is speaking to us. If some good persons talk to us in a calm voice, we feel that the god has come. And how the god talks to us in the same way. Here the Zeus means a Greek god. It comes in the Bible, Greek god. And they thought that even such a miracle that the god is talking to us. The face of that man, it looked like the sun, such a sparkling sun. And they become very happy talking with the god. They felt that the strangers are god to us. Philemon and Baucis walked home and they could not believe what they saw. Their hut has changed into a beautiful castle. They knew only gods could do this such a miracle. Talking to them, they felt very happy and they felt that as if they were talking to a real god. Zeus, Zeus means the god of Greek here. And when they see of them little far away from their hut, they came out and made them to go and they said goodbye to them. And when they came back near the hut and they saw that their hut was changed into a beautiful castle, a beautiful building, a beautiful house. A small hut was changed into a beautiful building, beautiful castle. They knew only gods could do such a miracle. And this miracle was done by God. And they thought that these strangers were God for us. After that, the milk in the pitcher were never finished and nor the food on the table. And after that day, the small hut turned into a beautiful castle, beautiful building, beautiful thing. And even from that day onwards, what happened? One more miracle. What happens that from the pitcher where they had the milk never finished. The milk was always full in the pitcher, in the jug. And whatever food they had on the table, the food was never finished. Such a good thing, and they lived happily forever. So students, here the moral we get is that if somebody comes to a house, if a stranger comes to a house, we should look after them like a god, and we should take care of them. It doesn't mean that you just tell them to go away. So they did such a nice thing. They helped the people as they were poor. Yeah, of course we are poor, but if you help someone, of course the God will reward us. So here we could see that God rewarded them and they lived happily forever. So students, please try to read the story, try to understand it, watch the video, and whatever words, new words, we don't know the spellings of these words, from here you can write down these words and by the spellings. Thank you.